Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, make sure your vehicle is running and safely in park. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone or device. This is a crucial first step to ensure your phone is discoverable. Then, direct your attention to the Uconnect system display in your Jeep. We will navigate through its menus to begin the pairing process. Now let's get into the Uconnect system. On your touchscreen, you'll find a phone button. Press it. The system will likely ask if you want to pair a new device. Confirm this by selecting Yes. From the subsequent menu, look for an option like Pair a Device or Add Device. This action puts your Jeep system into discovery mode, allowing it to find your phone. With your Jeep in pairing mode, grab your phone again. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. You should see Uconnect appear in the list. Tap on Uconnect to initiate the connection. Both your phone and the Jeep screen will then display a unique 4-digit PIN. It is essential to confirm these numbers match exactly before proceeding. Once you've verified the PINs are identical, confirm the connection on both your phone and the Uconnect system. Your phone will likely ask for final permission to pair. Accept this request. In just a few moments, your mobile device will be successfully connected to your Jeep Grand Cherokee's Bluetooth. You can now enjoy hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio through the vehicle's speakers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.